Good afternoon. Today I want to talk about climate change and how humans are pushing way beyond our planet's boundaries. The man you see here in this photo is Sir David Attenborough. He has dedicated 8 decades of his life to wildlife conservation and fighting climate change. He has a documentary he released this year, I believe, on Netflix called Breaking Boundaries, and it has taught me about our planet's 9 boundaries and how we are very dangerously close to the tipping points. I believe more people should watch this documentary because every time I bring up the conversation of climate change, too many people are turning a blind eye as if they don't believe what's happening right before our own eyes. Fossil fuels are one of the main concerns for me because it is responsible for 80% of the CO2 in our Earth's atmosphere. And everybody knows trees is what give us clean air, but with the excessive use of fossil fuels and the excessive deforestation that is happening, there's no balance. So within the next few years, this earth would have close to unbreathable air. If we work together to plant more trees and end the use of fossil fuels, it might not be too late to save this planet, not only for us, but for our future generations. Imagine a world where our children can't come outside or don't have fresh air to breathe, or even worse, we don't make it to our future generations because we can do something today and we choose not to. If we're uncomfortable wearing these for COVID, imagine our children having to wear these just so they could go outside and play or breathe fresh air. So once again, I would hope that this message reaches enough people where we can do something today and now and not wait till it's too late. Thank you for listening.